on, guys? Today we're building up a Specialized Vegas TJ Lavin frame. This is from somewhere between 1999 and 2000. I was a big TJ Lavin fan. I own his video game and everything. So this is gonna be a really fun one. This is a super beefy frame. A lot of this stuff is pretty stock. We have the original Alex Super E wheel set. Got the original Specialized sprockets. These are not from this bike, but we found a pair of Specialized forged cranks. The original Specialized pedals, the original Specialized fork. Managed to have the original Fatboy seat in really, really rough shape. We got some brand new Primo V-grips, some red gyro cables, some no-name two-piece chrome handlebars. This was the last piece of the puzzle, just picked these up recently. They are the Specialized Casino tires with the red wall. These are gonna look really nice on this bike. So it's gonna be a little bit of a rough build. It's gonna look really good. So let's get to it. Guys, we just finished up the Specialized Fatboy TJ Lavin bike. Looks really, really nice. Really happy with how this thing turned out. Actually, maybe even more impressed than I thought it would be. So let's go through everything with you. We put on these brand new Primo V-grips, some red donuts. We flipped the Tech 77 upside down. Red vocal gyro cables, some no-name chrome handlebars, the original Specialized stem, gyro from the original bike, a little close-up of the frame, original forks, and managed to get a hold of these Specialized tires. They're called the Casino tires. We threw on some red valve caps to go with the whole Vegas casino theme. Super E rims with specialized hubs. Original specialized pedals. These cranks are not original. We decided to go with the forged cranks with the specialized logo on them. The aluminum specialized sprockets. We put on a silver KMC chain. Diatech Hombre brakes, the original. And the specialized seat post and seat clamp. This is the original Vegas seat. Nice rips in the seat, Survivor-like. And we have this tire on the back again with the red dice, Super E rim, and a specialized hub. So this thing came out very, very nice. Super Survivor. Make sure to comment below with your thoughts. We have never done a Specialized before, so pretty excited about that. We'll post a couple more mid-school builds above. Make sure to check those out as well. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon. Take it easy.